puja we're decorating. Here's a couple of things. Okay, there will be diyas over here, and the reason I placed these yellow things is because I want to put diyas over here too, but we still have a few things left. This part is a little done, not all of it, but a little bit of it's done. Guys, so it's evening. I did not shoot anything for the afternoon because I didn't wanted the video to be very long. Plus, all we did in the afternoon was cleaning and organizing and just, organizing stuff. That's mostly what we did, and that was just of no use for you guys or for this vlog. Sorry, for this vlog. So, oh wait, my parents are calling me. So, it's evening and we're going to have the puja in 10 minutes because my father and my grandfather, they are preparing the stuff right now. Show you guys. So I put this over here and I am very much, oh wait, somebody's here. So right now the preparation is going on. We will put a few candles over there, and this is the TV unit. That is my brother putting lanterns. So we still have a bit to arrange, and then once it's all done, I will. And right now it's time for me to go to the puja. So Satvik, say subscribe. Yeah.
परमा ब्रह्माणी तुम ही जग माता मैया तुम ही जग माता सूर्य चंद्रमा ध्यावत ना
So the puja is finally done, and now it's time to place the diyas all around the house for the positive energy that comes from these diyas. Even my father is helping me with this, and we have to place it in every room, right? Like the master bedroom right now, even in the washrooms and the balcony. So let me tell you guys a little thing about our rangoli this year, because watching the whole video like this part of the video will be just really boring at that point of time. So the rangoli we made is obviously not the best rangoli. It's a little dull, I know, but the thing is that we were planning to put that swastik, right, the artificial flower swastik which I arranged under the TV unit. Yeah, we were planning to do that, but my mother wasn't well, so she was lying down at that time, and my father came with this weird idea for the rangoli. And then he did a bit of it and he got tired, and then it was all on me, and then my brother came and ruined most of it. So this is the best I could literally do out of all of it. But looking on the bright side, at least the city looks beautiful. And also I said that I will not burst any crackers, but come on, there is no Diwali without crackers, and we went a little overboard. Okay, we went too much overboard, a little too many bombs out there, but come on, just one day, right? Otherwise I do parties every month. I'm finally done decorating the house after the puja, and here is the final tour. We have one on my father's workstation too, and even have this swastik. This spider is a bit messy for now. Looks beautiful. Satvik, happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali!